In the fast-paced world of security, every lead matters and every customer deserves instant attention. Meet the future, our AI-driven assistant, Robustus AI. Understanding the challenges that security businesses face, I'm here to help you scale effectively. Missed or cold leads? Customer retention down? Sound familiar? By 2030, 85% of businesses will utilise AI to scale their operations, streaming their customer service and enhancing their lead conversion. With Robustus AI, every interaction is an opportunity to impress, inform and convert. I ensure no query goes unanswered and every customer interaction is maximised for satisfaction and retention. Not only does Robustus AI capture leads, it nurtures them until your team close the sale. Don't get left behind. Join the revolution of smarter, faster and more efficient customer service with Robustus AI. Your business deserves the best. Ready to enhance your operations and customer satisfaction? Let Robustus AI lead the way to your future.